So I recently had a chance to film and photograph the largest listing I've ever done to date. It was $1.2 million. It was an absolutely ginormous house. And one of the things I've been doing recently is incorporating FPV into some of these listings and sort of blend in the aerial footage along with, camera drone footage. I wanted to see how doable it was. And I also wanted to see what dynamic it would bring to the product I deliver my clients. So today I'm going to share the final result of that video I was editing on Sunday. So you can see what a drone like this is the Shen drone Squirt. It's a Cinewhoop and it's actually pretty cool. It's rocking the DJI FPV system. And I'm going to show you all of it. So stick around. What's good, guys? Ken here. You're watching Original Dobo. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a video that I did for a client recently where I got a chance to use the Shen drone Squirt along with the Hero 7 Black strapped on top of it. And I also blended in some Mavic footage along with the gimbal footage. It's a fairly quick video for such a big house. It's 2 minutes and 44 seconds. The entire video was not filmed with the Shen drone Squirt, only some of the aerials. There's only some shots I used the FPV drone. I tried to use the FPV drone in areas in which I felt that it would blend well. And this is not the first listing that I've actually used this on. I've actually done this on another listing, actually 2 other listings. And I think it came out fairly decent, and I may continue to use it because I haven't really seen any other photographers or videographers doing this. So without further ado, here's that video. Alrighty, so personally, the Hero 7 Black footage could have been a little bit better, but I think it's totally passable, especially since most of these agents are going to just share this on social media like Facebook. They're not really putting this anywhere else. I also was trying to be a little bit careful with the moves that I was making, not making them too acrobatic where it would make somebody dizzy, but making it dynamic enough where somebody would be like, holy shit, what type of drone did you use? So yeah, If you guys are interested in seeing more videos like this and how I incorporate these little cine whoops, be sure to let me know because I'll definitely do this. I'm going to probably make some more Mavic content, but I will also be making some more about the cine whoop because I think these are really cool and they have a lot of use case scenarios. And I think FPV has a place in sort of the professional realm when it comes to making products for agents or other video projects. I think it gives you a special dynamic that a lot of people can't really deliver. But there you go. That's going to do it for this video. If you are awesome, be sure to drop this video a like. If you're Drone X Factor and you're an asshole, drop this video a dislike. If you're the only one disliking this video, I know you were that asshole. Stay original. I'll see you next time. We in.
It came in! Oh, I didn't even record! Oh, wait a second.